Hello, in this video we'll see classification of cognition enhancers, which is also called as cerebroactive drugs, and questions. So there are three classes of cerebroactive or cognition enhancer drugs, that is cholinergic activators, glutamate, which is also called as NMDA antagonist, miscellaneous cerebroactive drugs. So tacrine, rivastigmine, donepezil and galantamine are cholinergic activators. Memantine is NMDA antagonist, and piracetam, pyretinol, dihydroergotoxin, pyribedyl, ginkgo biloba, and citicoline are miscellaneous cerebroactive drugs. Now we'll see the questions. The neurotransmitter system in the brain most affected in Alzheimer's disease is cholinergic system. Indications of piracetam include the following: learning defects in children, confusional states in the elderly, and memory impairment following electroconvulsive therapy. So, piracetam is miscellaneous cerebroactive drugs. The following drug claimed to have a therapeutic effect in senile dementia has alpha adrenergic blocking activity, that is codargocrine, which is miscellaneous cerebroactive drug. Senile dementia means dementia occurring in old age as a result of progressive brain degeneration. Select the drug that improves some symptoms in Alzheimer's dementia by increasing brain acetylcholine level, that is donepezil. It is cerebroselective anticholinesterase that affords some symptomatic improvement in Alzheimer's disease. Pyretinol is used as cognition enhancing drug. Pyretinol is also called as pyrithiazine. Extract of the following plant has platelet activating factor antagonistic activity and is claimed to benefit cognitive disorders due to cerebral ischemia, that is ginkgo biloba, which is miscellaneous cerebroactive drug. The following is true of rivastigmine. It is rarely selective inhibitor of G1 isoform of acetylcholinesterase. It affords measurable improvement in Alzheimer's disease symptom score, and it enhances cerebral cholinergic transmission with only mild peripheral effect. So, rivastigmine is cholinergic activator drug. Thank you.